Hello everyone, this is a cold salad recipe. As you can see, I am trimming off some kale leaves from the stem and I'm going to dice it into small pieces. Move it into a bowl. I have a tomato here, and if you also have a tomato, as we all know, tomato is antioxidant, so here I'm adding it into my salad bowl. As you may see, there is already some purple cabbage in the salad bowl. Purple cabbage, it is a very good food resource for antioxidant too, as well as tomato. And I just love the diversity of different color of food. They offer you different kind of nutrition that you need necessarily every day. So if you also have that, put them into your salad bowl. Now I'm going to chop off some cooked chicken breast into dices. They are a good resource of protein with low fat. Here I'm chopping off some bread cubes. Adding some salad sauce. Very lastly, parsley on the top.